G'day all, thanks for joining us again, here back at the shack, on my own this time, just trying to clean it up. A few surprises, but we're overcoming. One of the big ones is I think we were infested with fleas.
You're infested. Like
the wife was hammered by them. The kids suffered too. I was the lucky one. But anyway, I'll show you the progress so far. It's not a big change, but it's been a big cleanup. Definitely worth it. So, some news. There is the composting toilet ready to be assembled. Looking forward to having something inside. The sink is gone. Still a bit of a mess to clean up and sheeting to put back up. But we've decided against that sink. It was gruesome. In the flea room, heap of cupboards gone. There was unbelievably carpet. Who would put carpet on a bush block? Anyway, the carpet is gone. The boards that were on the carpet are gone. Heap of cupboards are gone. Up in the air about this cupboard. I wouldn't mind keeping it. No, I think Mrs. Wild has different ideas. So that's that. We've been bombing the place like mad. The mower deck threw a blade, so we're waiting on another blade. Also waiting on a little slasher for the back of this. We've decided to splurge out and get one. So hopefully in a week, 2 at the most, we'll be out there getting this Amazonian grass under control. So what I did was mowed down the side here. Really got the long grass near the shack under control. If you ever use an existing fireplace, just be careful. You never know what people have thrown in there. Let's just say there was a few snaps and cracks last night when I started the fire. So we've got some solar panels, hey, and a heap of polypipe. As you can see, more rubbish, more rubbish, more rubbish, more rubbish, and I'd say rubbish. And, looking forward to getting this grass mowed down. Mainly focusing on the house, as you can see over there next to the tractor. Been using a lawnmower at the moment, lawnmower and whippersnipper. So that was going to be drain pipe for the sink. It's no more. So I'm going to mow along here this afternoon. I'm hoping between that, bombing the place, Mrs. Wild put a heap of diatomaceous earth. Don't know if that made any difference, to be honest. And you can see that rubbish pile that was there has been whittled down to almost nothing. It's now, this is trip 4 to the tip, not the last. It's just a quick update, nothing special. This is going to be assembled next week. I'll definitely let you know how this thing goes. It's a 4-wheeled dump cart, supposedly over 500 kilos this thing will carry. The handy part about it is it can be used as a cart to pull along, or it can be hooked up to a quad bike, ride-on mower, tractor, and dragged around. So we'll be able to move some of those rocks that are lying in wait in the grass and stack them up in a location for further use down the track. The old water tank, which used to be right down the other end there, that's going to be used as a firewood hide, but it ain't going to be sitting there. I'm thinking about moving it down to to split the beer out of my shed. And just another little quick update. I replaced a portion of the flue for the wood stove. Just got to fit it down the bottom, and we're a step closer to testing this thing out and seeing if it actually works. Anyway, my friends, this is Mr. Wild signing off. Till next time, stay safe. Have a good one.